Right. Okay. Yeah. Welcome to the stream. Today, yeah, I'm trying something new today. With Prisma, I heard really good feedback about Prisma, and I want to try some. Especially, I want to try Redwood.js. Before we do that, I think I need to know a little bit about uh, Prisma. So that's why I'm doing here. This one. So yeah, let's get started. Before we do that. So what we are working today is a simple Next.js application. So it's a blog. We have some commands. I use this app in some other streams as well. So yeah, we're trying to right now this is using a MongoDB. I'm trying to use Prisma for this in this session. So let's see. Let's see. Oh, I always do this mistake. I'm talking without sharing screen. Yeah. Anyway, this is a MongoDB app. So this is the app. Simple. Yeah, blog. So I'm trying to convert this into Prisma. So I haven't even tried using Prisma yet. Let me go to the website and see what's this. Okay. Um, okay, so ORM for sure. All right, good 12. Okay, client send database queries. Nice. So try Prisma in 5 minutes. Okay, what else we have? Okay, set up Prisma. All right, let's go to the getting started guide. Overview. Okay, this page explains how to get started with Prisma in 5 minutes. You learn how to send queries to a SQLite database in plain text, plain TypeScript script using Prisma Guide. Right, Node.js for sure. I have. Okay. I think I have. Okay, I need to start a project. Okay, let's do that. I'm on Mac. Okay, I copy this. Yep, it's called. All right, let's open something. So let me open data tmp. Let's say get here Prisma. Right, cd Prisma, and then let's try to. I think it's a curl command. All right, we have it. Okay, let me zoom this a little bit. Okay. What else? I think it should be starter. All right, so let's check the packages. And all right, we have Prisma CLI, TypeScript, and yeah, that's it. Oh, and we have the Prisma client. So that's the dependency. Okay, interesting. Yep, let's do that, and then check the documentation. All right, I did that. Okay, the SQL database file Prisma data contain two tables with dummy data. Sorry. Startup at prisma.io, and okay, looks nice. All right. Okay, let's check this DB. So let me open this in a browser. What I can do? I'll open this as a new folder in the same workspace. Hi. Yeah. So I'm going through this process and figuring out. Okay. I haven't even used SQLite or Postgres in a while. I used to work with SQL sort of database with Cosmos DB. That I have a few years of experience with that, but I've never used anything. Okay, let me add the directory. How to do that? This should be something like, okay, add folder to workspace. Should be data temp Prisma starter. All right, now I have a starter project as well. So I think here we have got dev.db. I think I cannot see that. It's a binary file for sure. Okay, so Prisma. Okay, it looks like yeah, TypeScript and okay, interesting. I sleepy. Yeah, all right, interesting. Yeah, if you guys know, I think you might have know about like Prisma, like so. Yes, help me like if I'm doing something stupid. I'm not stupid. I mean crazy, something like that. All right, let me check. Okay, we have the post, which seems fine. Content, boolean, authority. Okay, looks decent. All right, then environment variable. Okay, this is a file dev.db. Interesting. Now it's inside the file. It's okay. The file is kind of local to the Prisma directory. That's interesting. Okay. Okay. There's a VS Code extension. Okay. Thanks, Vivek. Let me do that. Let me. Yeah. Is that Prisma? Oh yeah. I think this one Prisma syntax highlighting. Yeah. I think that's it. Thanks, Vivek. Right. Okay. Prisma Cloud. Yeah. I think I'll use it later on. Yeah, me too. But I heard really good information about good news about this, and looks really nice. And I think they had like a MongoDB support few. I think in the previous version, but I think they removed that, and I think they're gonna add it anyway. So I'm kind of like a MongoDB fan, and I know how it works. I mean, most of the time, like so. Then I'm in more control. That's why I like to use Mongo. Um, anyway, right. So then, all right, now it's perfect. Cool. All right. Okay, looks fine. And then let's check the. Is that a JavaScript file or something? Oh, okay, we have script.js. Okay, this is a Prisma client. All right, got the Prisma object. Okay, I can try anything inside the main. Okay, I think in the tutorial I had to do something here. So let's try this. Starter. What's the script I have? Should be script dev. Yarn dev. Okay, done, because there's nothing here. Is that a TS? All right, it's a TS. So let's without going through the okay documentation, just check. There's a connect. I think I already, do I need to do that? I think so. So let's go to the documentation anyway. Right. All right. So write your first query with Prisma client. So this is the schema. Okay, we go through that, and this is the file. Now I need the main. Out of Prisma users find many. Okay. Let's do that. Okay, Prisma users. Prisma. Okay. Dot users find many. Okay, interesting. This should be a wait for sure. But I don't have any code completion. Not sure why. All right. Let's console log. Users. If anyone knows like why there's no like type completion, maybe I think I installed the npm packages. That's work fine. Right. Maybe yarn dev. All right. User is declared here. Interesting. Prisma. Okay, should be user, not users. Right. That's the problem. Okay, it's not something in the type. Yeah, that's my mistake. Okay. I need to generate the client. Or is it like okay? Let's see. Anyway, oh, anyway, the problem is that I was not. I'm using something wrong. It should user, not users. Yeah, I'll come back to the generating thing. So I think it's covered in the CLI. I'm in the tutorial. All right, now we have the users. So let's do that for the first post as well. All right. So yeah, and right. So that's it. Okay. Why not? Let's add a new item. Okay. Uh, users. Okay. Find many. Let me open the schema file. This one. User email name post should be an array. Okay. Yeah. So the relation is mentioned here. Right. Looks nice. Okay. It should be user. Let me add. Let me add something like Prisma dot user create. Is there something called create? Oh yeah, we have. Then I can give an argument. I think I should have to do await. Okay, name. I don't know the. And the email. Yeah, I think ID is default, I guess. Yeah, auto increment. Email is I don't know the at hey.com. Okay, what was post? Okay, TypeScript complaining. ID is that ID? Interesting. So let's go through the docs again to see what I have need to do. All right. Okay, this is added. All right, this is kind of coring. Okay, I'll do that. Yeah, let's do that. Like basically, I'm trying to like find users with all the posts. Okay, that's nice. Let's do that. Includes find many and the on the option includes. Should it include or includes? Include post dot true. All right, then let's check. Then it should show the post as well. All right. Okay, now I can see the post. So let me. It should be console.dir. Okay. Okay. Now I think. Okay, let's do something like this. JSON to stringify users null 2. All right, we have it. Like, okay, Maria has some post and it's gonna show me those things as well. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, what else? Okay, all those users are statically typed. Thanks to auto-generated client types. Right, write data into the database. Okay, so I'm trying to create a post here. Okay, we'll do that. Post. Oh, okay, I need to pass it as data. So that's it. That's the mistake I did in the previous code. All right, now let me do that. So here I should pass data here. That's the problem. Okay, data. All right, I think I don't need it. Oh, now it works. Yeah, I kind of like this TypeScript or auto-generated CLI. It's very easy to work with for sure. And let me run this. Yeah, I'm here. It's cool. Let me try to add myself again. I think I don't. Do we have kind of a primary key? I mean, unique key for the email field? Let me check. Yeah, it's unique. I think it should throw an error if I try to do this time. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, invocation error. Okay, that's nice. That's really nice. All right, now we are good. Data author connect. Okay, so this is something interesting. Connect. Okay, let me check the post schema. Right, this one. So author is a color relationship the user, and how I can do that is field author ID. Okay, I have author ID. So basically, it's connecting to the author ID and user. So I think this is some sort of like a like a virtual field kind of thing. So in the database, we might not have this author. I assume that's it how it works. Uh, okay, we have, and then how we can do that is basically I'm gonna connect it to. That's how I do connect by email. So that's interesting. So I don't need to pass the ID. Okay, let's do that. Let's create a post. All right, what I can do. So I have the user. I already created the user, and then let's get rid of that. And let's create a new post. Wait, Prisma post dot create should be data. So what are the fields we have? ID is auto generated. Title, hello world from Prisma. All right, and then we have the content. Yeah, so this is the first content maybe. Right, then what else? I think the published. I think this is okay. This is kind of boolean. Default is false. Fine. Author ID. Okay, now this is something, the magic kind of thing. And how they do that, call, let me check the documentation, author and connect. Author and connect. And connect, how can I do that? Connect user ID. No, it's email. I don't know that hey.com. So I think this works because I have mentioned, I think it's mentioned he has like a unique key. Then it will simply pick the correct user and put it here. I think that's how it works. I think so. Let me try. Right. Okay. Yeah, it works. Nice. So I think I'll try to add another post by picking the user. I'm trying to connect the user using the ID. I assume it should work as well. This time, hello world 2 from. Okay, this is the second content, and here I'm trying to use the ID. Should be 2. Is it 2? Is it 2? Let me check. No, it's 3. The user is 3. Okay, 3. And now let's do that. All right. Oh yeah, that's how it works. So now let me try to put something like this. In this case, it should throw an error. Yeah, it is. Nice. Okay. Think we are good here. Right. Very nice. Okay. What else? I think I think that's all I need. Then I need to go through the creation process. I mean, like the client generation process. So let me do that. Maybe I'll follow through the documentation. Okay. Okay. I can update. Okay. Where ID 2. Yeah. Published. So yeah, that's fine. Okay. So I'll do that later on. That's okay. How can I query? Like just pick the post form. Okay, that's something I need to do that. So let's try to do that. So basically I need, now I have so let me run this again. So now I have like set up. Okay, where am I? All right, I'm here. So why it's not working? Okay. All right, now I have set up post. I need to pick only me just email. I don't know that okay users by that. So how can I do that? Let me check. So I have the users include post true. So it's something like query. Find many. Maybe I'll add user where I think it's where. Oh, okay. Here it is. Where email is right. Okay. Okay. I like TypeScript and the auto generated client. That's nice. Okay. I think that's all I have. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. That's the problem. I have mentioned this. Okay. Now we need to delete couple of items. So how can I do that? So I have this post. I can simply delete by picking ID. Let me delete ID 3 and 5. So it should be yeah, and yeah, let me like do that, and I'm gonna do const users. No, it should be post. I need to delete post. Await Prisma dot post dot delete. Okay, and I think I need to do where. Yeah, that's it. ID is equal to 4 and 5. ID is something like in. I don't think we don't. I think yeah. Anyway, ID equals to 4 and 5. Yeah, it worked. But then if I run again, it will throw an error. Yes. So there's something called delete many. Let's see what's the meaning of that. Delete many. Where? Okay, ID. Maybe I can pass an array. No, cannot do that. Yeah, not sure about that. So maybe I'll check later on. Delete many. Okay, there's an example. Yeah. Oh, okay. I need to. I can put some filter on like where author ID. Yeah, that's it. Author ID is equal to let's say 3. Yeah. So they should delete everything. So let me try to do it the first way. Okay. It doesn't allow me to do that. So it only. Oh, okay. That's interesting. All right. Yeah. Should. That's interesting. Right, I think I'm quite fine with the API, query API, and how to pick this stuff. So let's try to generate the schema. So let me add a field in the user. Maybe what we should add. Any ideas? Like maybe phone number. Yeah, maybe country. So that's something I can do. I'm gonna add country is string. It's an optional one. All right, that's nice. And I think if I check the client, and I don't think it will work. So I need to. So let me try to create a new user. Based on the. All right. I'm gonna. Okay. But I'm not gonna include any post. Just the not done. No, I don't need the where close as well. Just the setup users, and I'm gonna create a new user, Prisma user dot create, and the data is email is aa@aa.com, and the name is this is the name, and then I'm gonna add the country, and it should not work. Yeah, right. Then I think Huvik mentioned that I had to like I need to generate the client. So I think how can I do is right, that's Prisma CLI. Yeah, let's give it a try. uh, npx Prisma. There's something like that. Oh yes, all right. Prisma generate. Okay. Right. Okay. I think client is generated. Client is generated. Okay, it's going to generate the client into the node modules directory. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, I think now it should work fine. Country should be. Oh yeah, it should work fine. Why it's not working? Maybe I need to like start again. Script. That's interesting. So let me run it again. Just yeah, dev. Ah, okay, that's interesting. Unknown field. We need to do some kind of migration kind of thing. Prisma migrate. Okay, that's interesting. So I cannot add this field. So do I need to do because Prisma migrate? No, that's not something. So let's okay. Oh, thanks for the command. Like, okay, should be thanks, Digger. It's npx Prisma migrate save experimental. Okay, that's what I need to do. Okay, I'll run it now. Prisma npx Prisma migrate and save. So let's run experimental. I wonder what's the meaning of experimental here. Like, I mean, so what's doing? Okay, the first one. All right, did that. Okay, amazing. So I think now it should work. Is it? Oh yeah. Okay. I think maybe I need to generate it again. Apply. How can I apply? I mean, like I need to generate it again. I mean. Oh, okay. Migrate. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, I understand because I was not using any SQL database for a while, and I can understand. Like with Mongo, we don't need to do this kind of stuff. I understand. All right. It should be Prisma migrate up experimental, and I think I need to give the name. Okay, it picked the first one. All right. Okay, it's updated 3 SQL queries. Nice. Now I think I need to generate this schema again, I guess. Oh, okay. Oh, interesting. I need to check the migration directory. Oh, okay. Right. So the first one. Ah, okay. That's interesting. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it has. Okay. I wonder how it got the. I think maybe my username. I mean, from the machine. Okay. All right. Okay. Use that column country. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah. Thanks. Okay. Get the from the gate. Okay, from gate. Okay. Yeah, that's decent. I mean, it's a nice way to do that. I think I have to generate the client again, I guess. npx Prisma generate. Okay, what's that? All right, let me run the command. Yarn dev. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Oh, okay, now it works. Amazing. Yeah, that's fine. I think I think I need to restart the server. Yeah, I'm quite okay with that because it works. All right. Okay, that's nice. So I think this is all we need for the initial step. So I think let me go through the getting started guide a little bit more. Is there anything I need to understand? Maybe data modeling. I think I can go through the docs. So I need to like kind of like create a summary of what I did because I need to save these commands. So it should be, if I need to do a migration, it should be save experimental. So do you know the meaning of experimentals? So yeah, let me Google it for sure. Prisma migrate experimental. What's the meaning? Okay. Oh, that's this. Okay. So it's something experimental. Okay. That means if I run without migrate experimental, it won't work. Okay, that's why it is. So then I have a question, like let's say, so experimental means a new thing. So what happened like maybe do I need to manually create these migration, I mean these fields, or is there any some other UI kind of thing? Maybe, I think so. But I have seen something interesting. I need to check it out as well before. Oh, okay. Yeah, interest. I always found it very hard to like pronounce this word. Introspection. Yeah. Oh, okay, right. Cool. Amazing. Right. Yarn. What's this like? Yarn. NPX. Prisma. I think I'm gonna like do a LDS for this introspect. Yeah. Okay. Route them to Prisma. Okay, that means yeah. Okay. Basically that means I'm changing the SQLite using some other tool, and then Prisma could read that, yeah, and then generate the schema for me. Okay, that's cool. So migrate is the other way around. Like you change the Prisma schema, and then it applies things to the schema. Okay, that's nice. Okay, right, I understand. Thanks. All right. Yeah, I think that's it for this one. Oh, okay. Yeah, I can understand. Yeah. So yeah, this is what I want. Let's try to create a schema for this. So I think I need to add Prisma. I think what are the dependencies I need? Should be the Prisma client, and the dev dependency is the Prisma CLI, and yeah, TS Node and TypeScript. Okay, so that my project doesn't have TypeScript. I think it should be fine. I don't need TypeScript to work this. At least, I mean, my project doesn't use TypeScript, so right now I should. All right, it should be Prisma client and the Prisma CLI. Let me go to my project that I want to do. Yarn at Prisma CLI at Prisma client. Okay. All right, this is it. All right, let me create a schema file. So I'm gonna like do the yes, this one. I think I had to run Prisma init, and it will do the stuff for me. I think so. Init. Yes, it is. It does. Okay, it's there, and set up the database URL and env file, and go through. Okay, it's products good. Okay. Interesting. Right. Yeah, I think since we have the migration, and I'll use that one, env. Okay, this is what I want to do, and I'm gonna use here in the Prisma directory. I'm gonna env. I'm gonna remove this. dev.db. Is it going to automatically generate this file? That's something I need to check. All right. Okay. Prisma is SQLite, I guess. All right. Let me copy this thing. Where was I? Here. Okay. Provider Prisma client JS. What's that? All right. That's default, I guess. Yeah. Let me copy this one because I'm too lazy to type it from scratch. Should be post. Yeah, of course. I don't have a user right now. I don't. Yeah, I'm fine with our user. I have author ID for sure. And the content, yeah, that's right. I have. I think in my system, author ID is a string, so I'm gonna, yeah, let me use a string for this one, and it's not optional. Wait a minute, like I don't have a post ID, like it's kind of automatically generated. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah, of course. Like since I'm trying to like generate from scratch, should, of course, sure. Right, I have this thing and fine. Okay. Default ID, yeah, that's fine, I think. Yeah, I have slug. Content is not optional, it's mandatory. I have slug, which is a string. Published, I don't have that kind of field. Yeah, I have the title. All right, that's all I have. ID, yeah, auto generated, that's fine. But then I have comments. Model comments, comment, and ID, yes. Let me auto generate it. Yeah, and it should be diff. Do I have format? Yes, no. It's okay. Let me copy this. So let me grab the other. No, let's create something from scratch because that's educational. Comment. I first need ID. Integer, default, auto increment, and what's the third parameter? ID. Anyway, let me ID 2. No, maybe it's kind of like assigning. Okay, default auto increment is should apply to ID. Shall I use something like this? Maybe ID 2. Let me try it. ID 2 int, and I need to like no, it doesn't work like that. Anyway, yeah, let me do that. Okay, I have ID 2. I need to add the auto increment to this. No, it's something else. Okay. Right. All right, that's fine. I have ID. Then I have the reference for this one. I'll do that later on. I should have a post ID, and it's an integer. Okay. Post ID integer, and yeah, let's wait for it to create the reference. And ID, post ID. What else I have? I think I have a comment author ID, author ID. For right now, it's a string. I don't trying to create a user right now for my demonstration purpose. Author ID string. Or what else do I have? Post ID, author ID, and I have the content. Yes, I have that one. Yeah, it's a string, and I have the name. I mean, it's an author name. So yeah, that's something bad I do. Author name and the avatar. So I think I should use another table for this one. For right now, just keep it like this. So this is a bad habit I think I'm carrying from the MongoDB side, trying to like collocate. I mean, like it's like destructure fields, something like that. All right, now we have the schema, and let me try to create a reference. How can I do that? I think it's something like this here. So I need to create a user. All right, user. Okay, let me do that. Okay, then let me create a here comment post. It's not user, it's post. Relation is it's not author ID, it's post ID. Reference should be an ID. Okay, that's why it doesn't work. Maybe something. Yes. Yeah. Let me check. It's the user. Okay. All right. Oh, I need something like this here as well. Interesting. User post. Then I need comments. Is it comments? Yeah. Post. Yes. Comment. Comments. Something like this. Okay. This is something interesting. So here we have the user with the author ID. Okay. That's the field. The reference is user's ID. So in this case, it's a post. Okay, here the post, and the reference is post ID, and I mean the field is post ID, and the reference is the ID. Okay, what's the issue here? Scale a field post ID. Okay, at least one of those fields are required. Oh, interesting. How can I require? Okay. Oh, this is required, not. I thought it's optional. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm coming from. I mean, maybe TypeScript or some other place. I mean, maybe GraphQL. I need to put this one. I mean, like, so this is okay. Here the way around, I guess. So this is required. I think. So now here it's optional. Okay, that's something I learned. Cool. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Right. It's opposite. Okay, then I have to change some other things as well for sure. Because yeah, these are everything is mandatory. All right. Everything is mandatory. Yeah, of course, I understand. Like in a. Oh, you mean like okay? This makes optional. Okay. Oh, interesting. So this makes field optional. All right. Okay, it makes sense. Okay, then. Okay, then what I want. I'm trying to want like why I need to like this should be optional because okay. Oh, that's the case. Oh, yeah. Right. The mistake I did was like I put here optional, and that's why. Yeah, that's the problem. Got it. Thanks for helping me. Okay, it's user error. It's my bad. All right. I think everything is set up, and I need to now migrate this and first I need to save the migration, and then I need to up it. Okay. Right, and then I'm gonna run npx Prisma. Yeah, I understand. Yes. Yeah, thanks again. Then let me. All right, should be what I need to do is Prisma migrate, save, experimental. Yes, I need to create a new db. First one. All right, Then I can check the readme file. It's here, Prisma migration, this one, and the readme. Okay, it tried to create a table and then all the other things, add foreign keys and so on. Nice, very nice. Then I hand run, I can do it up. So yeah. All right, then it creates the database, and pretty nice, amazing. Right. Okay, let me check the what kind of thing. Right. Then I have the DB. I think I cannot open it here. Okay. No, I don't want to open it. Right, now I think it's good. Then I can use this. All right, amazing. Okay, what I can do is, okay, and I'm gonna okay, how can I use the Prisma client? I think, let me check the startup code. Should be here, script. Okay, import the Prisma client and init it. Okay. So I have in my application, I have like test route. I'm trying to create new users. It's called resetDB. So here, let me try to create new set of documents. All right. So I don't really need this in this code base, but I'll try to use it. Right. Then I'm gonna do okay. Let's get rid of that. I don't need this thing. So I'm gonna add some blog post. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna add Prisma client. Import. Okay, from that Prisma client, and it should be Prisma client, and I'm gonna init it. Okay, Prisma client new. Const Prisma new Prisma client. Okay, and I think Prisma post. I think now I don't have any auto completion because I'm not using TypeScript. That's fine, totally fine. So let me open the schema file. Should be somewhere here. Yeah. Okay, let me pin this. Can I pin it? Yes, I can. Right, pin it, and I need to reset DB at Prisma post.create. Then I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna remove this as well, and I'm gonna add a new post. Should be a slug with yeah. Hello. I'll copy all these things. Right. Oh, I have to. Oh, okay. That's a bad idea. Okay, I had to generate the client. Thanks. Yeah, I missed that part. Yes. npx Prisma generate. That's it. Okay, then it should work right now. Right, yeah. Yeah, I think even in here, like it doesn't work anyway. Yeah. Okay, I think I need to put data. All right. Okay, thanks for that. Command Shift P. All right. All right. Should be restart TS server. Yeah, here we go. Thanks for that tip. Okay, now it's working. Thanks. All right. Now I have this. So let's do that. So I have slug, title, and content. Creating a new blog post, and then about schema, I have the slug, title, content, and comments. And yeah, I don't have comments. Is it optional? I mean, like, should be. Okay. Anyway. Okay. I mean, it's not optional. Yeah, it's an empty array as a reference. All right. This is it. So let me hide this So let me add another one. And I want to use this information. Okay. All right. Yeah. No. Okay. I need to put it here. Okay. Then I'm gonna remove all these things. And then what I can do is format. All right. MS right now. Then I'm gonna call this API endpoint, and they should create some document in the DB. Very nice. And yarn dev. I'm gonna do a curl command. Let me curl. Okay, GDB localhost 3009. So I think that's my 2004 API and reset DB. Right, now it adds some documents. Amazing, pretty nice. Right. All right. Let's try to fetch this data and then try to show on the client. Okay, Julian. Thanks. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, you can get a UI. Okay, that's nice. I mean, I can. Oh, okay. I think, yeah, studio, and this is what I see in some other place. All right. Okay. Yeah. Let's do that. I think I need to check that for sure. So we should here. Let me go to that directory. Which this one? pwd. All right. So it's npx Prisma Studio experimental. Okay. npx Prisma Studio experimental. Yeah. Oh, here we are. All right. Okay, nice. So basically, I can use any sort of like. So it doesn't matter like which database I use. So basically, it's try to connect to. Interesting. It's using the NV file. Okay, that's nice. I can add records. Nice. So what else we have? Post comments. This is amazing. Tree view. Oh, okay, I can see that. So what's a tree view? I mean, like oh, it's like I can expand. Okay, I understood. It's kind of like you are trying to look at JSON. Okay, this is nice. All right. I think I missed one thing here. I need to add the time as well, because I need to track the created at time. I think I need to add some date field. Let's do that. I think I might go with I might go with a timestamp, but I think okay. So what's this? Also, you can check. I can click on the double square. Here, this one. Code mode. All right. Okay. Oh, double square. I mean this one. Oh, okay. Interesting. Code mode. Oh, that means I can query things. Is it? Okay. So let's say I just want to pick all the slugs. I need to run it, right? Okay. I think there's a problem. No. Okay. Yeah. So it's something like I can let me remove the comments. It's not running. I mean, maybe it's not. Maybe it's me because yeah, I'm not gonna say it's broken, but yeah, who knows? Yeah, I understand. Yeah. So I have a question. Like, I think Driga, I think you are pretty I'm kind of expert in Prisma. I think you work at Prisma or just like interest in in the community and trying to. I really like to know. Like, oh, amazing! Thanks. Nice. Okay. This is good. Yeah, I think this is fine. But it really helps me to like see what's going on. So then I need to check how Prisma do the track the date object. Okay. All right. Prisma data modeling. Okay, let me Google it. Prisma data type date. Okay, maybe. Yeah, I'll choose an integer right now. Maybe a double. Yeah. For now, I just need to try to pick something from the DB. All right. Then let's try to create this. I think this is good one. I can run a new migration. Should be post created at. Can I use double? Float. Okay, we have float. Yeah, created at, and it's required for sure. And then I'm gonna do that for the comments as well, and updated that. Yeah, is there any way like I can automatically, because I've seen the CMS is doing that, so I can automatically have this created and updated at fields. So it's really nice. We have some toggle to add that in Prisma. It's amazing if we have something like that, but I don't want it right now. I can search it for later on. Yeah, I think I expect. Oh, default now. Okay, that's okay. Which adds. Okay, interesting. Yeah, I'll do that later on for sure. Thanks for the tip. All right. Right. This is it, and then I'm gonna migrate. Yeah. NPX Prisma. Yeah, make it a date time. Okay. So then I think if I put date time, I have more options to query, I guess. Date time. Yeah. It will handle it according to your DB. Okay, interesting. Mm-hmm. Okay. I think from the API, I need to send a data object, I guess. Oh yeah. Yeah. Then I'll get back the JS object as well from the DB. Mm-hmm. That's decent. Yeah, I might have to like do some transformation in Next.js application, because I pick some data from the initial data and send it to the client. I need to like convert it to a timestamp, but that's fine. So I try to use whatever the date format. I think it's nice to use this. Right. So then I need to migrate. Prisma npx Prisma migrate save experiment. Yeah, this is what I want to do. Second one. All right. Oh, that kind of, okay. Yeah, here are a required column to without a default value. There are two rows in. Okay. Okay, that's why I need to. Okay, that's understandable. Like, because default. Yeah. So yeah. So basically, if I add it optionally, yeah, I understand. So yeah, but if I add optional, like it's an optional thing, but I want the created ad to be required. Yeah, thanks, I did that. Nice. All right, I got a comment from YouTube. Okay, cool. It's working. So I'm trying to like stream to multiple platforms. I'm still triggering out these things. Okay, 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 cool. Right, right, that's cool. Then what I can do is I have the schema of migrate and I need to up it. Nice. Then I need to generate the client. All right. Then I will do the Prisma Studio as well. Studio experimental. Yes. All right. Okay. Interesting. Okay. I need to restart it. Okay. I'll do that. Oh, what's that? Hmm. Anyway. Yeah, that's fine. I think things will happen. Okay. Parent and undefined. Okay, maybe something with the query I added. I think so. Yeah, it's fine. Right. Then let me run the curl command again. So then it should have the created at time. So in this case, I need to pass the created at time for one item. Right. Is it possible to delete the documents? I mean, yeah, I think await Prisma post delete many. I assume this will delete everything. Right. Then I want to add created at time. Yeah, I need to restart the TS server. Restart TS server. Okay, should restart. Okay. Right. Thanks. I'm gonna add a new date or date on now ms 1 day. Right. Let me import ms as well. Right now I have it. Yeah. All right. Okay. Let me do that. Yeah. Let me check it. All right. Let's run the studio. So basically, it could be something with the studio, and I can understand because I run the migration and things might have should be we are storing is in here. So can I delete everything? Refresh, not refresh. Delete. Okay. All right. Then interesting. Yeah, maybe I'll delete everything. So there's nothing in the local storage, no session, maybe cookies. Yeah, this is some other stuff. WebSQL. Yeah, things will happen. Yeah, maybe I'll run a migration and maybe I know. Who knows? Yeah, I can understand things like this happen anyway. Interesting. Okay, cool. Right. Yeah, I think that's fine anyway. It's a good thing. Not not that it failed, but right. And now I have the. So let me run that curl command so I can reset the DB. Okay. All right. But I don't know. I can print those things as well. Try to see what's inside the DB. It should be post and await Prisma post dot find many. Yeah, that's nice. And then I'm gonna do a console log post. I mean, I'm gonna do JSON stringify post null and two. Okay, this is good. All right, and I'm gonna run it again this time. Right. Okay, DB reset. Yeah. How can I do a DB reset? Maybe, I mean, you mean delete the whole thing and again restart. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, it's cool. Okay. This is, yeah, this is fine. I think this is something JS added, not me. Oh, I did it. Okay. You mean like, is it this line reset DB mean the delete many? Is that? Okay. I mean, like, I think I'll try to run the studio again. Maybe if that's might help you to like fix the issue. That is, yeah. So then there should be something with the DB. I mean like with some inconsistent state. So how I get into this stage would be like I create the setup post, and then I add a new created field, and then I ran a migration. Then it screwed things up. So I think this is some kind of attack vector you could try to like. I mean, not attack, like try to reproduce this bug. I think so, something like that. Nice. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Right. Cool. Right now, I think I have all those things we need, so we can simply use this. Right. Pretty easy. Right. Let me remove this. Okay. And I have a place to get these things into the client. Okay. Okay. What are the comments? Yes, for development migration, we'll have schema push workflow in the future. Oh, okay, right. That means you mean like, okay, I don't need to save an app, like just push. Interesting. Right. And I want to like say this schema, I mean, migration thing is kind of like something new to me, because like, I never work with a, I really never work with a Postgres DB, SQL DB in a while. I use MySQL, in the PHP days. I think maybe that's around like 10 years ago. And this is new to me. Yeah, I heard like I heard from the Redwood JS people, and they said like MongoDB is in the work in progress. Anyway, I'm happy with the MongoDB right now with their coding. Yeah, I think you don't need migration for Mongo. Um, yeah. Anyway, like for SQL, and this is really nice because otherwise I had to like type SQL all over the place, and if I need to migrate, I need to go to dashboard and edit stuff, and that's a mess for sure. Yeah, yeah. I would like to see how Mongo would work with the. I assume the same API would be the same. Like, so you have the same API to work with the Mongo and everything. And I think I can see that's something powerful. Like, yeah, Prisma handle everything. Right, right. All right. Let's use this. So I have how can I do that? I forgot. So I have something called get post list from MongoDB and try to do that. So let's create something for Prisma as well quickly. New file Prisma.js. I'm gonna export async function get post list. Yeah, and I'm gonna import the Prisma client. I'm trying to type it from scratch because I want to like memorize what is this. So at Prisma client, and it should be Prisma client. Yes, and I need to create a client object. It should be Prisma. Okay, new Prisma client. Okay, that's nice. About the, I'm gonna return a promise. No, I need to do some transformation first. Should be post, and I'm gonna do await. Prisma should be post. dot find many. So I need to query, I need to sort. I'll do that later on. And I need to go through the post. I need to map. Like what I can do for each or map. For each or map. Okay, I'll do for each. And I'm gonna add p dot created at equal to p dot created at dot get time. Okay. Right, then I'm gonna return post. Right, this is good. Right, then I think this should work. And I'm gonna go to the index file. I'm gonna use Prisma. Okay, it should work. All right, CLS. Okay, yarn dev. And let's see, should work. Right, interesting. Okay. Okay, it worked. Nice job, guys. I think now this is interesting. I have Prisma and MongoDB. So homepage is from Prisma and the content is from MongoDB. Let's get rid of that. Yep. I have. Let's go export as sync function get post by slug. And I'm gonna query. I'm gonna return. Yeah, in the same thing. Const post. I should be post and await Prisma post find one. Yeah, we have find one. Nice. Should be where slug is equal to slug. Yes. And I'm gonna do post dot. So let me do. No, that's fine. Post dot created. No. Yeah, let's do the map. No. Created at is p dot created at dot get time. Return. Oh, okay. Slug is not unique, so I couldn't query with slug. Oh, is it for find one or? Okay. I think it's for the find one, I guess. Okay, I should make it unique for sure. All right. So let me and find one. Let me try to run it, and I can see the issue, and I can see the error, so it will help me to figure it out in sometime later on. Right, I'm gonna run this, and thanks for the tip. And then okay, I haven't used it in the actual code. Prisma. Okay. So then it should throw an error. Yes, it is. So unknown where okay, post where unique input. Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense for sure. So that's why I have the MongoDB mentality. Like you could find one, and in SQL, and it makes sense for sure. Right. So what I can do right now, I think now this is a very interesting thing. Now I have some data, so I need to like update the schema with this new change. Let's see how it works. So you mean I need to make slug unique field? Oh, okay. Okay. Unique mean I need to add unique. All right. Slug is unique. Totally fine. And then I'm gonna run the migration again. Let's see how it goes. All right. npx Prisma migrate experimental. Oh, okay. I had to save it. So we have down option as well. Okay. Third. No, let's give it a name this time. What's the name should be? Should be slug unique. All right. I'm gonna do up. It works. because I have the Unix. I mean, I have the data. Yeah, it's nice. All right, cool. Let me. I think now it should work. I need to generate the client. Yes. npx Prisma generate. All right, now it should work. Interesting. Propose value. Okay. I have generated the client, and let me. So we have the schema. It's unique. Okay, cool. And so we have a question from Digger, like from Julian. Like, okay. Right. Oh yeah. I think I have like Digger. I have a question as well. Like with serverless, I think we have like a cold boot issue. So basically, you have some time. I mean, when you're connected like Postgres, we have to wait some time, right? I mean, like there's a connection, uh, initial connection time. So I mean, like it's still here with Prisma, I guess. I mean, is it an actual issue or it's just fine? Oh, okay. Now we have. Oh, right. So now we are Amazon RD is proxy. Okay. That's cool. Nice. Right. So then I'm not sure why it's failing even right now. Because I add the client. Yeah. Oh, now it's something different. Oh, amazing. Okay. Yeah. That's nice. That's my mistake. Should message post. Nice. I know why it's happening like this. Anyway. All right. Now this is good, and I need to have some comments. So let's update that as well. So I think this I need to spend a few more minutes for that one. Let me close others. Open the Prisma. I'll do comments, and I should be get comments and add comment. So I'm gonna do first add comment. So I'm gonna copy this one just to make sure I'm gonna do the same thing. All right, add comment and slug and the comment. So right, then I can reference using the slug. Okay, so I'm gonna add. Let me comment all these things. Const post, not post. It should be a comment. Wait, Prisma comment dot create, and it should be data. Yeah, I understand about the cold start problem. Yeah. Yeah. I know, like that's a sort of issue. Anyway, but that's, I mean, Lambda. I think Lambda has something like persistent connections or something like. But I think I think we discovered that somewhere, but I think it's really very costly if you want to run like. I mean, we don't have the cold boot, but you have to pay more. Right, I'm gonna add the comment, and I'm gonna get the destruct the comment, and so owner ID is something. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Name, avatar. So the content, what we created that. I need to convert it to a date object. What else do we have? I need to make a connection with the slug. All right, so I need to connect. It should be post connect. Is it how I can do that? So let me see how I did it for the other way script. So did I save it now? Boom 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 boom. Let me get the Prisma getting started guide. There's something called connect. Yeah, author connect email. Like this should be author. It should be post here in this case. It's a command I need to. So it should be on the post. Other here post. I need to connect it. Yeah. Oh, interesting. Oh wow, that's terrible. Oh, I need to make it interesting. Anyway, thanks. Connect and how I did that. Connect. It should be the email. I think now I could use Slack because that's unique. I think so. Hmm. All right. Okay. I don't think this gonna work. Anyway, let me run it. Okay, add comments. API. Where comments? I'm gonna use Prisma this time. I have the get comments functionality, but I'm gonna make a foo. Oh, thanks. Thank Rasaka. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, my bad. Wait. Okay, it's an object. Now it works. Thanks. Cool. Right. Looks good. I think yeah, that's it. I don't think I need to do anything else. Like types are fine. I think it should work. Just like that. And I'm gonna add the get comments functionality and that's all we need. Yeah, let me check the MongoDB syntax. Should be get comments from the slug. Okay. Sync function get comment slug. Right, then I need to get comments. Await Prisma comment find many. I'm gonna where should be do I have slug? No, I don't think we have slug. About that one, the schema should be. Yeah, I don't have the slug. Then I need to kind of query kind of thing. I don't know where I can do that. Post. Oh, I can connect slug. Nice. Yes. So it will query the post collection and get the post ID and then use this. I assume that's how it works. So let me get that. Let me change the created that. All right, and then return comments. Yeah, I think this should work. This should work. All right, all set. Let's go. Oh yeah, I would like to do that. So let me. I mean, I like to see the SQL. So it's really educational. So how can I do that? If you want to see the SQL, you can see. Okay, client constructor log query. Okay, something like here. Log should be query. Okay. So what are the other options? Log error info query. Okay. Okay. Cool. Thanks. Okay. I'm gonna run it. All right. Boom, boom, boom. And hello world. Oh, I don't think this is coming from. So let me restart it. Okay, there was an error. Okay. All right. All right. Yeah, it should. There's a type error. Here. Yeah, that's my bad because I'm not using TypeScript. If I use TypeScript, I might have like got it very early. Okay, okay, okay. I think we're good now. Show comments. Nothing. Amazing. Hello, comment from Prisma. Oh, interesting. Let me see. Okay, data the author ID is missing. Author name is missing. What's those? Okay, yeah. I think I put something. Okay, it's yeah, it should be. Yeah, I think I put some wrong stuff here. Schema, it mentioned like author name and the author ID. Here, own ID. That's my bad. Should be author ID. And it's a name is not just the name. It should be author name. Okay, cool. Now it should work. Ding, 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 ding. Nice, it works. Amazing. Yeah, that's it. That's it. All right. I think now we're done. Like, I mean, like I can add comments, I can see them. But there's one more thing I need to do. Like, I need to do sorting, like here. Okay, by setting the error format to pretty. Yeah, it's nice. Prisma is nice. Yeah, I should say that for sure. I can like it because thing is, if I want to do it pre-SQL, I can understand the issue. So yeah, let me check the SQL commands. So I'm really sorry, like really hard to see. So basically, yeah, let's try to get some comments and try to see, because I need to see how I can get comments. That's the interesting query. I assume Prisma will try to find the post ID using the slug, and then it will fetch comments after that. Okay, or maybe it's some kind of join thing. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that's how it works. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yes, it is like this. Yeah, this looks like kind of. Anyway, that's how it works, but using a single SQL command. Yeah, why not? Right. So about sorting, yeah, let's do that and finish this session. About the post list, I need to sort this one. To find many, where I think I have the sort option. Mm-hmm. Not the select. Yeah, yeah, not select. I need to skip. Okay, I need to skip content. but that's just no. That's something, some other thing. Find many. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, really? Interesting. Oh, we have two queries. Oh, okay. 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 Right. 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 We have two. Right. I thought like it's doing some kind of like inner join or something like kind of thing. Right. Let me search for Prisma sorting. All right. Right. Got it. Thanks. Order by. Okay. It's order by. Yeah. Here we go. Order by slug. Not slug for sure. Created at would be -1. Is it how this? Let me try this. Not -1 for sure. Yeah, I think here Driga is working for Prisma, and yeah, he knows a lot of stuff. He helped me a lot. Okay, I think if you're not here, I think I might have to do this for like maybe 3-4 hours to understand. I mean, like still easy, but you save a lot of time. Yeah. All right. Yeah, now it works. Amazing. So I have sorting here. I think let's do the sorting for comments as well. In the comments, I need the sorting in the other way around. Like, yeah. Bye bye. Created ad should be DSC. AC. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's what I'm here. Yes, of course. It's not exactly a hard. Yeah. Yeah. I understand. Like, if we can give you the like a smallest possible thing to understand everything, then people would get everything very quickly with all the TypeScript and all the query, because we don't need to like really want to dive to the documentation. Yeah. Yeah, this is it. This is really nice. I love it. Right. Yeah, let me refresh it and see other. So I think now we completed everything. Yeah, we have a blog post running with SQLite with Prisma, and yeah, this is nice. Uh, yeah, I have one more question. Like here, uh, okay, yeah, I know. Like yeah, it's automated generated using. So my question is like, all right, let me check. So now I use like here in the locally I use SQLite. So I think I can go to the, where should I go? Like in the here. So I put the local database URL here. So let me say I'm trying to deploy it to production. So then I think I had to in the CI server somewhere. I need to like replace this thing and then try to regenerate the client, or how it gonna work like in the production deployment. So can I do it using environment variable? Oh, I really wonder. Maybe I'll Google it. Prisma deploying, production deployment. Okay, client is the same. Oh, okay, client is the same. I simply need to change uh, the DB. Okay, but then I think I need to. Okay, you need. Okay. So I think I should need to make sure like the DB. Oh, which provider? I mean, like in this schema. Oh, oh, right. Ah, okay. So then I can pass SQL and as well as Postgres, I guess. I think so. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So then my question is like, let's say in local, I run everything with SQLite. It's really working, but I really I forgot to like migrate the Postgres DB in the production version. So then I think I have to manually migrate those things. I think that makes sense. Then yeah, then if I didn't do that, then in the app, so it will throw an error. So yeah, I think yeah, I don't want Prisma to do anything for that. Yeah, that's something on my own. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We typically run migration on CI. Right. I think we are good here. Like, I think this is really interesting experiment, and I learned a lot. Right. Yeah. Thank you, Digger. Like, Digger, I think you helped me a lot, and this is amazing. And thanks to Julian and Rasaka who comes here. Yeah, and help me. And another guy, other people who is in the chat and looking at. There was not much people, but it's still interesting. Right. I'll see you again. Like, thanks for helping me. Good night. Yeah. Bye.